Welcome back to a quick intraday update. Right now I have this chart of Nifty 50 and this is a 30-minute chart of the index, and what we are seeing right now is an impulsive rally. It looks like an impulsive rally, although if I look at the internal counts, the idea that this whole rise could be corrective as well might arise. So as of now I can label this as 1 2 3 4 5, or I can label this entire move as A, then anticipating that the next move downward could be wave B, and then we could head higher for wave C. That's what happened over here in this move. We got a straight move from 15,500 to 16,000. That was a wave A, and then we got a wave B. But at that particular point of time when we are in wave B, it would be very difficult to find out that is this wave B just a counter trend bounce, or is it the start of the new move on the downside. So that would always be a question, and that could be sorted out by looking at the other datas and other sentiment indicator, breadth indicators as well. So right now I'll hold the view that this might just be an A wave, meaning that a next move on the downside might start if we do not cross above the day high. So the day high is around 16,328. So if we do not cross 16,328, then fair chance that we may slide down towards wave B. So wave B could be in this range. Let me give you a Fibonacci retracement area. So it could be between 50% to 38% zone, where roughly the 50 EMA lies. So the 50 EMA is at 16,139, roughly 140 points lower than the current market price. So at least we are expecting a move on the downside. We do not know that the move is going to be in wave B, or is it directly going to be on the downside. A major confirmation that the move is going to be a bear move on the downside is the break below this BXX supportive trend line. So if we break above that, then fair chance then that this correction is over and we are headed towards 15,100 and lower. Although if we complete a wave B and then go higher for wave C, I'll still hold the view that after completing that wave B, if we start to push higher, then fair chance that we go towards 16,400, 500, and then again the move towards 15,100 might start. This was my take on Nifty. Let me show you the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, the view is same, that WXYX, and probably we are in some sort of wave Z. We do not know whether it has ended or not. I'll still mark this as wave A, and then probably if we get a move down towards the bands 50 EMA and 20 EMA. The 50 EMA is positioned at 35,030 roughly, 470 points lower from here. So if we get that move, probably we complete wave A, then after the completion of wave B, if we start to get that move on higher, then we will be open to the idea that wave C has started, and that wave C might take us to new highs. And after that, finally, when the whole counter trend up move or the bear move counter trend move is over, then we might see a move on the downside. Okay, so I'm prepared for both, whether it slides down to B and then goes higher, or whether it just slides down and falls below this X wave. So that would mean that the whole counter trend move is over, and we are now headed towards new lows of 32,000 and below. That was my take on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Thank you.